Welcome once again to the Intramuros Summer Festival. Tonight is about to get epic. Invite your family and friends to get their Intramuros passport for only 350 pesos and unlock 5 iconic historical sites and access a full-on exclusive music experience with the Itchy Worms, Earl Agustin, Over October, and some of the best student performers from schools based here in Intramuros. So gather around, vibe with the sunset, and let's get this festival started in just a bit.